morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And yes, let's see what we do today, what the market is wanting to offer. Market looking quite bullish right now, but like I know Nvidia and all those names are pulling back a bit. Nothing serious in my opinion, just like a decent pullback after a nice push back up. So yeah, let's see how we do. Let's see how things print today. But we are, doing okay. Just a beautiful Monday. So minus 12 outside there, but it's like it doesn't feel like, to be honest. But like yeah. So
it's still very cold and very windy out there.
Yeah. So how are you doing, Marie? How's everything going today?
Well. I am doing well. It's Monday. It's Christmas week.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah. So yeah, it's a short week for the market and for everybody. So hopefully we can enjoy the holidays and try to sleep a little bit better. But is there any ticket that you are looking at from the good to go or like
Irene?
Irene.
It's looking interesting there. I just took a little bit of a bite below the VWAP.
Oh yeah. Looking pretty. So
Open's
what's up, my guy? How are you doing?
interesting as
Good
well.
morning.
Good morning, Zach. And Open looks very interesting as well.
Open, okay. Had a long time without seeing those tickets, or at least without you mentioning them. Sorry.
Oi! And how are you doing, Dave?
I have runny nose, and like I hope I don't get sick, but it's like. I'm sorry.
Salud.
Hello. Bless you, my guy. Hello. Ça va bien, et vous autres? Just looking at SPY. Keep it simple. I almost took that short from the top. It was on my level. Would have been good. But pre-market looked very bullish, so shorting it is like. So a Marie trade on SPY would be to go down from there and then go back to VWAP.
Back to VWAP, cross VWAP.
Sorry, everybody, we were mute. Yeah.
And go up to the pre-market high.
Okay, yeah, I only mute myself to sneeze. I got it. Yeah, it's okay. We will have me mute for a minute. All right, so is your trade manifesting?
Yes.
Kind of nice.
Very well now.
So I'm gonna take a look. I have a couple levels here that I dedicate myself to. Like, I don't want to trade Microsoft for whatever reason, but like, hey, it's just a trade. Maybe I want to take a trade on Microsoft. And
so we've got a Marie trade on SPY.
okay, I'll be there right now. I was looking at like what reverse did you say?
No.
Okay, you see it to the long? Oh yeah. Like Zach,
Right now,
if you wanna talk about it, you guys, you both. If you are if you have the space and you wanna talk about it, because to me it's looking very long. If it is a Marie tray, it's a long one. But I hear Zach saying that if it was reverse.
Okay.
No, you didn't ask that? Okay, my bad.
No.
Okay, so right now it's at the 200. So it will need to respect that for it to be a Marie trade. So we will see.
200 EMA?
Yeah, for me. 200 EMA. So before the next minute, it needs to pop back up and bounce from there.
You have a 1 minute to 200?
Yep. It's
I
a
have
very
5 minutes and it's way lower.
Okay.
Okay, nice.
You see it?
Mhm.
So for me, it was right there. It needed to, for me retrade, it needs to respect that.
So if it breaks, it's not?
No. Sometimes I'll put a stop clock on it, shot clock, and then I'll say, okay, well, you know, I've got a minute or there's a 2-minute level that it needs to retest before I do get out.
Okay.
Oh, look at you.
Oh yeah. It's just my nose is bugging me. So yeah, all good. Irene, I see. Pretty good trade. So Marie got a nice trade on Irene.
So now
So did you spy hold or not?
it's still there.
Yeah, okay.
It's in between the VWAP and the 200.
Okay.
Yeah, we've got a little consolidation there. It's really consolidating at that level. We'll see what it's going to do.
So my guy's back in Gatineau, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nicely done. The ride was well.
Yeah, pretty good. Starting to get less long perspective, let's say.
Little shortcuts.
I'm getting used to it, so.
Yeah, it's a long drive. When I was working in Peterborough and in Oshawa, I was up there for 9 months and I'd come down every weekend, and that was a 4-hour drive.
Holy crap.
Yeah. When I was lucky, it was less than 4, but most of the time it was 4 plus. Okay, so now I'd put a clock on that one. I'm gonna break even for this.
Because I have a level lower.
682.20.
682, 60, and 682.22.
Okay, look at that, 682.22.
Yeah, it's the same level you have.
Exact same level that I have as well.
I have a little trade on Microsoft. Probably first trade ever that I have taken in Microsoft.
Are you kidding? Okay, I don't like that.
I've seen like a meme on that thing, like on Microsoft. Like, and I cannot get it out of my head. Like, don't you think the name is strange? Like, how did he find that name?
I'm afraid of asking.
We're just silent here and say,
Ay, ay, ay.
I'm hoping it's soft technology, but then you're like,
It's about that, the meme?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's just how do you think he named the company? Like, why did he name that? And like,
Well, because it's they do software, and like micro is like the
Microtechnology.
yeah, like they keep going smaller and smaller, and
That's what I was hoping to, right? I'm thinking, hey, when I'm thinking Microsoft, that's what I've got in my head. But then again, I'm not a man.
But I had that in my head, but then
yeah,
That meme turned it around here.
like like they go in that every time they go in micro scale, like it's smaller and smaller with the intention of. But yeah, I understand you.
Okay, so that consolidation is quite large. We'll see if we're
That
gonna
will be
find
two problems in one item.
Yeah.
yeah,
Oh, you're hilarious. Okay.
maybe it was a personal thing.
Ah, yeah,
Okay. RSI is quite low. I'm trying to look to see if there's a girl there. There doesn't seem to be.
I'm going along on my level. So.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a quick look at Spy. Like, I could add a bit more to Microsoft. Woo! So yeah,
You won't see it the same way. but-
man, like you really
Yeah,
messed up
you
my
just
head now.
ruined everything.
So yeah, that's probably I have never traded. So yeah, I could add there at the 482, but because it is the first trade I have ever taken in that thing, so I'm just gonna hold it and see what it wants to do. I think I got a decent price, but I definitely wouldn't like to see it like at 480. So that shouldn't be good for it. So and that's why I'm gonna take a quick look at the Spy. Let's see, trading view. What are you trading view?
Imagine you say, "Oh, I want to invest in that. I identify myself in that company."
Well, I guess that's a way to put it.
Oh, that's funny.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure he normally receive jokes about that thing, like, oh yeah, it's a Spy. Wait for it, like guys, like a Spy is a really major point in there. So I'm not saying that it couldn't go down, but it could go. I have a lot of hope potential there. So around the 682.80.
Okay.
So you have a level there, right?
A bit lower, but
60.
Mhm.
His level's at 60.
the
Yeah.
beginning is at 70, and it goes. The middle is at 60. So.
Yeah, like yeah, it's yeah, it's inside my nose is itchy, so
Your eyes are watery too. Yeah, I don't think I'm coming to work tomorrow.
So your girls are sick.
one of them, yeah. But she's getting better, and now I'm just. I don't feel sick, to be honest. Like, I mean, it's just like.
You do look like
Yeah, but like that sleeping problem, so. That's another story.
and there it goes.
Okay, now we have a former opening range, so. Are things gonna turn back up from there? That's a big question, but.
Oh, we didn't check. I'd be surprised since
Yeah.
it's
Shouldn't be much news.
right.
No, it just Chicago Fed National Activity Index, but that was at 8:30. So news-wise, nor number-wise, we should be okay today. So nothing that we have to be cautious with. Do you guys are taking a look at Nasdaq or anything like that, by any chance?
No, you.
No.
No.
No, but I will. Like just out of curiosity here. I'm typing backward today. It's just like why I'm typing backward. Okay, so I think that makes some sense to me. I'm gonna add a little bit more to my Microsoft. So, and let's see if I can actually add it at a better price. But
How much you gonna add? 1 inch? Yeah, I mean,
my guy is on fire. My guy, you sleep very well, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't show. You hide it well. Oh, that's hilarious.
Let's see what we can add. Even a centimeter count.
Yeah.
Oh God. That's hilarious. You guys are crazy.
No, Zach is crazy.
You too. Aren't you? Do you know you guys are the yin and the yang?
Oh, we really are. Yeah, Marie have been saying that, and I say that that's why we have the white and the dark black car. My car is not black, but it's like gray, dark, almost black.
Charcoal.
Charcoal.
Well, they call it graphite, charcoal.
Yeah, it
all
has
kinds
like
of-
many names. Gray,
Mhm.
dark.
I guess my silent too.
Yeah, I guess so. What are you driving now? The
Leaf.
Nissan? Yeah.
Yeah. Like it's my girlfriend car. Just she gave it to me for Christmas because she has cars at her own.
Mm-hmm. Hey, it's functional for winter, you know, like
Mm-hmm.
I say nice car is just like for you that are used to your FRS. It's like it's a little bit different.
Are you ready for Christmas, Zach?
I have all my gifts.
Good job.
Nice.
And you, Davey, are you ready for
Yeah.
Christmas?
I was going to say it, then say, do I want to say it? No. Yeah, I went yesterday.
You don't
for-
want to jinx yourself?
for the last pending one because I had a gift that was pending to get, and yeah, I went to get it yesterday.
Yeah, for us, it's just the alcohol that's left. I was a little too late. I usually order it online and get it delivered,
Mm-hmm.
but I was too late. I missed the deadline, so for all God's, cannot believe I'm going to be going to get that. After all these years of working in that stores and say, whenever I don't work here, I will never shop on this week. That's
Well, like-
crazy.
I'm willing to not drink alcohol. This like I can probably take a sip of something, but like I would like to not take alcohol during like that. That's a good thing for me.
Except for your celebration.
even that day, I think it's gonna be a little bit just with prudency. Like I don't want to get funny anymore. So, and but that's good. But what I was going to say, because related to what you actually say or why you mentioned the alcohol, man, I went to Costco Saturday. Holy crap!
I couldn't believe you said
And
that.
it was not only Costco; it was every
Everywhere.
single mall. Like what you see is just all the roof of the cars. Is like, what the heck is that?
My mom went yesterday. It was crazy.
Well, I did. I went yesterday too, but I wake up like I was there at 7:30 for you to have an idea.
And my mom
At what
went
time
out
do they
at 1.
open?
At 8.
Oh,
I don't know
bravo.
if it's a special day.
It's a
things, like-
special.
but like, I can tell you that at the point that I was at the line, I was already outside. At that time. At that time, I was in the line outside. So
Wow.
then when you get in, like there is not that many people. It was fast, but
And my brother do that too, going super early.
yeah, if you are like me, you do it very fast. You know, it's like I think I didn't spend 40 minutes in there.
Wow.
I had to get like a lot of things because it's Christmas supper and all those things. So it was a bigger grocery than normal, and even like that, I didn't spend 40 minutes. It's like it was fast.
Papa's fast.
You drifted the cart, right?
I do that, you know. Unfortunately, I am one of those people that do that for fun.
You drift the cart.
Oh no, inside the shop while it's empty, I go like.
Oh, I
It's
gotta
a
see
reflex. It's
that.
very stupid, but
Well,
it's like. I guess you grew up like a kid and you just.
yeah, who
keep
did
doing
not
it. You're like,
want to do that?
No, I don't make noises.
I make noises. Maybe in my head.
But if there is somebody around and I have to turn the rear side, I will just.
That is funny.
A bit of a boring day today.
Yeah, talk about, but it should escape now. We've got the RSI that's really, really pumping.
I have to talk with
on
Marie, but
Spy.
probably we're gonna trail on until tomorrow, or like
Yeah, I've got off.
for this week,
Yeah.
and then we.
Yeah, the
same, like,
24th, I'll probably be off as well, and 26th, our kids are coming.
Yeah, like that. That's why I say like the 24th to come to trade for low volume market in the morning is
Yeah,
is probably
and
not the
it's
best.
actually, it closes at noon
Yeah, like
on top of that, right? So,
Yeah, maybe we'll come 24, but the rest, I don't know.
but yeah, let's see. And
It's kind of a bad month to take a challenge, but
I know.
Yeah, it
You're
is, but-
crazy.
but do you have a deadline or do you have to finish it by the?
it's 1 month, and then you have to pay again.
But the profit that you accumulate, they stay there, right?
Yeah, if you pay again.
Yeah, that's good.
It's okay. I was planning to do it maybe more safe and for a couple months, like 2-3 months.
Mm-hmm.
Have it secure by summer, let's say. Before summer, but
Okay, I just
I'll
want
upload the
to.
account.
I just want to just interrupt 2 seconds. I'm in
Mhm.
RCAP, and I'm so happy right now. So I've just been taking partials after partials. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 partials. I love this. This is a great, great trade. So I just wanted to interrupt.
Okay.
I took it at the VWAP and yeah, it's woo! I me gusta. Okay, so SPY right now is wow, I can't believe that level at 683.40. Like it's really large. And it seems everybody's long.
I guess that they it's okay that we don't do that joke. To go short in these markets is we have to remember the gamma expansion from Friday.
True.
Like those guys, like Maria is listening. Sometimes they are kind of like short, and it's like, well, didn't you see that wave coming in there?
But 83.40. You said that, right?
Okay?
83.40. You said.
Yeah, so that 683.40, that's still a very strong level. And the on the other side, it's 684, 60, and 90.
84.60.
And 90 on the up
I have
there.
a level at 40. That's where it bounced previously.
Yeah.
This one.
So we still have a position there. So it seems like it keeps reloading. So it started out at an 80, it got filled at 100, now it's 150 in SPY. How's your
40?
trade working?
Oh, they're doing just okay.
Yeah, at 683.40, correct.
Yeah, that's.
They are doing just okay, lady.
Just okay.
Yeah, Microsoft didn't allow me to add, so the order is just hanging out there.
Everybody.
Oh, you guys are just so.
Aye,
You crazy.
Just hanging there.
Do I make it worse if I say that I am going long on it?
Or you say it's going up.
Yeah, it is going up, you know? Actually. Ay, ay, ay. You're gonna get banged after this one.
Oh my god, I got tears here. I'm glad I don't wear makeup. Ay. Oh boy. Comedy team. Yin and yang.
I see there is some sizes on NVIDIA at 184. And then we have some other sizes in the other tape at 185. But I'm concerned that there is no continuation after those sizes. In Arca, yes. We have up to 88. What? 89?
In
90?
what?
90. Okay, that's weird.
Quoi?
94?
What are you? What are you rhyming off?
No, yeah, like I'm gonna be like, this is funny. If you see, like, it's funny, but it's interesting. It's valuable information. So for anybody watching there,
Okay.
cover. So you see, this is the tape for NVIDIA. So we have NVIDIA here. I have a long on NVIDIA that I held overnight, and I am keeping it. But like maybe I'm gonna liquidate it today at some point. So, but here you see we
Well
have
done.
183 here.
Mm-hmm.
So 183.90 half 100 lot. Then we have 184 with 787 lot. And what I'm saying, like, I'm concerned that there is no more sizes below here, like after those 184. But then I took the freedom of checking Arca. So the purple one here is INET. The green one here is Arca. So when I look at ARC, I say, okay, 184, have 110. And then I go like 185, have 577. 186, 250. 187, 187. And you cannot see it in that screen here, but if I keep going from 187, I see
Yeah, go lower.
188 has 153. 190 have 516.
Yeah, this one is the big one because it's a double shield.
Well, like 190 is also double shield. Like you cannot see it because it's behind this.
Ah, okay,
But
okay,
it's
okay.
also double shield. And in 516 is even bigger. So, and like when I went down like that, I was able to see up to 194. And like normally, if a SPY keep providing, it could happen. But it's like we are talking about like that's like more than $10 in the actual price. So for now, just for now, if we get there, it's more than $10 per share. So yeah, let's see. Though due to the nature of the actual market, like if it doesn't get there today, it might get there by tomorrow or something like that. So
Funny.
yeah,
683.40 is gone.
on SPY.
It's 683.10.
That's bearish.
Seems like he's thinking that position, but right now it's really it seems to find a little bit of consolidation there at the VWAP and a little bit of strength. We found some buyers there, but
Yeah, I see. The tape on the SPY looks quite bullish, I have to say. Look at this very nice volume here, all around there, and here. Yes, there are some toward the downside, but it's not a lot. Are the guys trading today or not?
okay. Oh, this is nice. Go, 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 go. What a are they trading?
They haven't said anything.
They took the week off.
I think Angel said that he's not trading until next year.
Got a guy on the WhatsApp.
Yeah. Yeah, I think one of them say I will be gone until the new year.
I'm boring today. I cannot do my strategy because it doesn't touch any of the level.
To me, it already touched the level of support.
Okay.
At least on a SPY.
The 683.10 still there.
What price?
I can tell you right now. When we were talking about it, I was looking at it.
Does it touch my at the open on the reverse? Touch my level. I almost got it. Get that in.
Just give me a minute and I'll be there. So the level of support I have for a SPY is you actually just wag it there. It's at 683.57. 683.57.
It's a 3-month thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 683.10 is gone.
Like we don't have the same volume profile.
No, I know it's a little bit different, but like,
For me, that price is on a peak.
Okay, so tape is flipping.
for sure, like, I am telling you that, but like, that wouldn't be one of the best price that I have. It's just, there is a support there, but like, I wouldn't put too much risk on that one.
Because if that is one is getting broken like 2 times today.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. But the way that the level is looking to me, I will expect it to be choppy around. And when it clears, it's supposed to clear all the way good toward 684.92. So like, if I want to not have doubts about it, once it prints at 684.92, then I should be okay breaking even if I have a good price.
Going long there. Small quantity.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're getting the 200 moving average pretty much.
And really small, and if you break view up, I'm gonna add.
Okay.
And if it breaks, it's gonna go to my level, I'm gonna target.
The type of behavior that we are seeing today is one of the reasons why I probably won't trade the 24. Like, you might be right in the direction for good, but it will require a lot of patience, as it is requiring now. Like, it's at the end of the year and blah blah blah.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess it's worse on Spire too.
Well, the volume on SPY is not fantastic, right? Or is it me?
Oh, it's only 64%.
Mm-hmm. Did you hear what happened in San Francisco?
Oh,
No, what happened?
It
broke down.
there was a power outage, and because of the power outage, all the and that's the first time they encountered that. So with the power outage, they all the lights weren't working, so all the autonomous cars froze.
Ay, ay, ay.
It was gridlock. They just stopped wherever they were. There was no stop. There was no light. There was no able to give them any direction. So they're like, oh, that would be bad.
Especially,
In intersection, where in the middle of a turn, boom, just stopped right there.
and I guess they will jam the traffic whenever that happens because it's like
In
there
San
are so many now
Francisco?
in there.
What?
Like I don't know if you have seen those Waymos like trying to go, like let's say to join a major avenue or something like that. It's like because they are very cautious, like they are lasting forever, and like people are crossing and like the car don't try harder, so it's just people waiting behind like for a long time. That's a big thing, and like I'm watching a documentary about 1975 on the state, and they had like one of the crises that they have after was caused because of the energy shortage, like
Okay.
like yeah, they had trouble getting oil and things like that. So apparently in 1975 was the first time that it happened after World War II. And like what I'm saying now, basically like just what you're saying there, like we know that there is a crisis about energy in the state everywhere. Like it's gonna be everywhere. You know, it's due to the disruption of the AI thing and like so like can that fuel a crisis? Like for sure, yes. But like
Absolutely, they can.
can they manage it better that it doesn't go as bad as the 1986 something like that? You know, it's like yeah. It's just we're gonna have to wait and watch, I guess.
To see.
Oh yeah.
You
no,
like history a lot, eh? It's fun to.
Yeah, I do that, but like I like there's a lot of things that like that you don't learn much from, but like whenever I learn, yes, I do.
Well, we don't learn about comedy, but it's nice to hear it.
Well, yeah, there is learning in there too, you know. As you say, like normally the guy that is a comedian is a guy that is very intellectual, intellectually stimulated. So they bring a version of the word that, though you are laughing about it, there is a lot of reality normally behind.
Oh yeah, sarcasm.
So, yeah, so yeah, Saki, we're going to say something.
yeah, the price in 75, I think. You said.
What was that?
Hey, you said there was a energy crisis in 75.
Yeah, 1975.
I think that period made that crisis made the Japanese car popular in the U.S. because they were fuel efficient and everything.
Yeah.
A little
Yes.
bit better than those big submarines.
Because after World War II, the U.S. was aiding the Japanese.
It's funny because in the documentary there are videos of people in the line waiting for gas, and they say this shouldn't be happening. At least not in America. It's like, yeah, for sure.
And when you're looking at what he's doing now, right, with Venezuela,
Yeah, exactly. Oh, yeah.
like what now is 3 oil tankers that he's taken over?
Yeah, you see that Mexico is stepping as as a mediator for like to keep the region like peacefulness, like the peaceful or whatever you call that thing. And like
Yeah.
Maduro called the ONU and say, "Hey, Trump is being a bully,"
Yeah.
and
A bully can't handle the bully? Come on.
I like the big question here: is that the only way?
That's what?
Is that the only way? Like, let's say that, like, this is speculative. Like, I literally know nothing about this thing. I'm just asking a question.
Okay.
So, let's assume that the state is interested into the oil from Venezuela because they want to have less dependence on Russia, less dependence on the OPEC and all those things. So it makes sense, right? So if we have the oil from Venezuela, we can negotiate with these nations a little bit different. So you don't have anything that is interest enough for Venezuela that you could offer a nice deal to everybody, like a win-win deal, and you get oil from Venezuela without having to, like, like I know that like there is a contract with the OPEC, and they are not allowed to get barrels below X price, and that's if like when it comes to violation of the agreement is when you buy cheaper oil than X amount of dollar per barrel. So, like, couldn't they just like, look, OPEC, we're gonna break the deal, but before you break the deal, like, you ensure something that is reliable for you in the long term with Venezuela without you having to create a war.
Oh, but it's not about the oil, right? It's about the cartel.
But that's also like but that's what, like, for example, you are going to Mexico for the cartel already, so
Oh, well,
why in there you want to, like, you are trying to get a process and you're trying to get more diplomatic with one but not with the other, because one is this big and the other is this big. So
it's always easier for a bully to pick on us,
yeah, but like but
Smallest,
that's what I
right?
mean, like, for like
to send a message.
up to which point are we really looking for conflicts, and like are they avoidable or not?
Everyone is avoidable.
And like, for example, how much is gonna cost that if you go to war?
So,
It's
just
like-
as an example, so we've got, if we're looking into the east, I'm sorry, I was looking at the tape. So if you're looking at the east and the Far East, we've got a superpower there that's invading smaller. And in the west, yo and behold,
It's funny because I was talking with Vladdy, and like while watching the documentary, the hysteria that is in the media, it never stops, It's always about the same thing.
there it goes by.
It's like if I grew up never watching that, but it have been always there, and now I think this is a new thing. It's like, no, it's not new, my guy. Like, you were not even in this planet when this thing was going on.
It's just reversing out of nowhere. I feel like.
Well, out of nowhere.
Out of
It was
nowhere,
at
exactly.
that level, right?
Yeah, like
we said 683.10. So
Like-
it's normal that it would pierce it by 10 and then pop back up.
Yeah, it's already above my level, let's say. You know, like the only thing I will say is like if I was taking the trade,
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't risk much because the nature of the level for me is at a level that is not gonna be respected by the penny.
Okay.
Like there is too much interest behind that you have to do something nice for you to go and walk away from it.
Okay.
Did he step you out, Zach, or not? Are you able to survive?
The first one stepped me out.
Okay.
It's really, really small.
Okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh yeah.
Okay, though we've got a, like when we're looking at the, though we've got a double bottom there, it is going lower highs, right, for SPY? When we're looking to the open, the trend,
Lower low.
lower highs, but the lows, there's a, oof. Yeah, there's so many nobody there.
I see you already have a trend line on it.
On SPY, yeah.
Yeah, it has a trend line on the SPY, and that's no, it's not an everyday thing. So let's keep looking
But
at
look,
it.
so I had that bottom there, and when you're looking at SPY, like right now it seems like it wants to bring the trade. Let's go, let's go, let's go, SPY.
So let's copy you.
No, you're not allowed to copy me.
Go. Yeah, it's breaking now. The question is it going to be able to hold?
It's not a whole lot busy. So right now, if it does hold there, it should go and print a higher high. So if you're in a long, good job, people.
Merci beaucoup.
Was Friday a good day last week?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's funny because I was looking at my things and I had 4 days red. It wasn't 5, it was 4. And I was freaking out.
Mhm.
Well, you question yourself, like, what did I do wrong? You know? Though I know what I did wrong, like for sure.
You know?
But after the fact, yeah, for sure. Like, one of the reasons why I am long in Microsoft right now is because during the weekend I did all my levels, so I have alerts here, and I say, I'm gonna step out of Nvidia a bit, and like Microsoft is holding pretty good. If I am right, that's even a swing trade from there.
Is it?
If I would like to, but I don't want to because I don't trade Microsoft. So, but Microsoft to me makes sense to go long in there for a couple of days. From the 484 actually. So I know it's trading behind, but it's okay. Like, and I saw like a couple other levels that were very funky. Like Apple is doing something very weird, and but you don't hear much people talking about Apple right now. So
No. And it's pretty flat, but
why is that 60-minute chart? I didn't put a 60-minute chart here. I was trying. There we go. Yeah, it's going straight down right now.
So boring.
Yeah, yeah.
Start your Fortnite, baby.
Yeah, I'm opening it now.
you what?
Start your Fortnite now.
You start your
Like to start Fortnite.
ah
Man, yesterday I played a little bit of Gran Turismo 1. That was
of
cool.
which?
Gran Turismo, but the first one.
Oh,
I don't know.
and how did that go?
Pretty good, but like that's a game that like probably Zach would say, really? You play that crap? Like, because I think that you never played that. Like, when you start playing video games, maybe we were like at the 4 or the 5, I don't know. Maybe the 4. But yeah.
You know, I played, I think it was Need for Speed. My brother had it on the GameCube.
Yeah, which one you play? Carbon
Oof, I don't know.
or Most Wanted? The best one is Most Wanted. Well,
It
from
was
those
the
times.
one with the music, Riders on the Storm.
Riders on the Stone. Yeah, so ooh la la, that's the second one. That's Need for
That
Speed
was
2.
nice. Yeah.
They have the doors? Wow.
Probably one of the best games of those times.
Yeah. During Christmas
Yeah.
time, I want to do
Underground.
get out the Wii
Yeah.
and to play like Wii Sport or Just Dance.
I agree.
Just Dance. Love it. I thought you didn't dance.
Zach,
Mm-hmm.
it's a professional dancer. You haven't seen him moving?
No!
Oh, Mary,
Haven't seen
you
me on
have
the
to
dance
see
floor.
that.
I've never seen him on the dance floor. Well, look at me.
You are so behind.
I
behind.
am. Oof.
I'm kidding.
Oof.
I don't know if he dances or not. Like, but
Well, if he
I would
does
say
dances,
probably he's a very
yeah.
good dancer. Like if
Yeah.
I have to guess, I would say Zach is a good dancer.
I just dance for fun, but so I did 1 year of dancing because my tante.
And
had
My
a
guy.
big,
There is nothing that you do that you don't get technical, from what I know. So it's like
that one I didn't like it very much.
no?
I was playing hockey too much.
Oh,
I
yeah.
wanted to focus on hockey more.
Was it like ballroom dancing or hip hop?
Breakdance.
It was what?
Yeah. Breakdance, like hip hop.
Mm,
Look at you.
It's stereo. You got it in stereo.
My tante had a school in Gatineau.
Mm. Is it on Notre Dame?
Don't think so.
No, okay.
Spy is
Okay.
rejecting the breakthrough, but yeah.
The MV studio, like MV, thing like that.
Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
Right. Let's do that right away. Let's request those vacations before it's too late.
When are you taking vacation?
I'm asking from February 20,
For the traveling?
yeah, to March 11.
No, the guy is gone for a while.
Yeah, 3 weeks.
You may not come back, Zach.
Yeah, that's so. So cold out of here.
But this winter, I feel the winter. I'm enjoying the winter this winter. You know, like I haven't went out much, and I know it's not beginning completely yet because it's not that cold. But I don't feel weak, like because what happens is that when we got the girls, like since we have babies, like we have been getting sick so often that during winter that it was painful, man. And you know what? I'm gonna give it a little bit of credit to the fact that I took the shots because it's weird. Like you get sick, but it doesn't throw you through the floor. You know, like it's like it's a mild flu or something like that. So that's how I feel it. You know, like I know that there are people against that, and there are people in favor of that, but like I took it and.
It's supposed to do that, right?
Yeah, exactly.
To strain your immune system. You may get it or a different strain, but
So let's say like for like
it won't kick your ass to the floor like you said.
in relation of my love or hate for the winter, it was that like let's say, oh I am feeling like very bad, like physically, and I have to go and spend like 2 hours to 3 hours of snow blowing things, you know, and like that didn't feel good.
No.
But like now when we got the big snow, like a couple days or weeks ago, I don't remember. I spent like the whole afternoon outside, like not just because of doing that, but like the girls was playing also outside, and I said, "Oh, this is pretty enjoyable." So,
Well, the kids are full Canadian.
and you remember when we didn't have kids, like I was so used to enjoy the winter that it's like
Oh yeah, you'd be out there.
I was
in
going
a
out with a
frickin-
t-shirt.
Yeah, t-shirts and a pair of shorts.
It's like, oh, it's okay.
Our grandkids are like that. They're so. I'm thinking sometimes that they prefer the winter to the summer.
But we are taking like those vacations is the good break for the like let's say if we are people that are interested into taking a break from winter, is pretty much at the coldest time. It's gonna be the coldest about.
There?
No, here. Like here, February is the coldest month, or is it January?
January.
January, okay.
But
So,
that's good. You're
we're
gonna,
gonna come
survive
back
the coldest.
And a couple weeks after, we are in summer, like summer, spring. So
So you're gonna survive the coldest
yeah,
before, and then you're really when you're really in the coldest, you really look forward to the heat.
Yeah, that's perfect to split the winter in half. Like,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
so,
But just as a general perspective, I don't feel complaining about this winter. I think it's gonna be just good. Spy broke down again. It's not holding.
Okay, it's at the bottom again. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do?
touch my level.
Yeah, that doesn't look like a triple bottom. Riding on the storm.
Okay, so SPY's breaking through. So it seems like 682. We've got a big order at 682.20.
You have at 60 or something like that.
I can tell you right now.
682.20. Same levels as always. 682.20, 691, 681.90. So these were the levels last week.
Yeah, I have 682.26. And after that, I have 682.99. The 682.99 because it's a whole number. Might hold better, but like this.
Hey, reverse from there. I'm just mad. Didn't touch it, but close. Then come on, buddy.
Yeah, that's one of Joe's favorite van.
Man, like I don't know if you have if you drove the Honda Civic in there, but it's amazing.
Into that.
Yeah, in that game, the Honda Civic Type R.
Mm-hmm.
It's just, and it sounds like a freaking Honda Civic Type R. It's like, yeah. Or somebody listen to this will say, oh, like a blender. It was sounding like a blender. Ah.
It sounds like a blender.
Yeah, there are a lot of memes like people on their cars and they put a very nice Supra, and then they put a GTR or something like that, and then they put like the sound of a blender, and it's a Honda Civic. It's true. You used to drive a Honda Civic. Yeah.
Yeah.
So like you know what I'm
That's
talking
all.
about. Oh, but there's not anything bad about it, you know. Like, um. By the way, have you looked at the new concept for Honda Civic? It's like, what the heck? This is not a Civic anymore. It's like a.
No, I haven't seen.
Well, they are quite sick. If you look at them, like, they have went like all out in their design. Like, it's no comparable to what it used to be.
And Spice pissing me off, man.
Yeah, because he have checked you off a couple times, and
Oh,
then
but
he come back.
It touched barely my level, then reverse. Is it the square one?
Oh, excuse me.
The Civic, Davey?
The concept, no, it's let me try to show you.
Not the one that looked like a mini.
I'll be there. The one that looked like an Audi.
Find it, send it to me.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Why so was 2 doors?
Oh, yeah.
God. Which one would be your favorite there?
Of those, I kind of don't have a favorite of those because
It's not your favorite car.
no, exactly. It's not like a car that I will. I don't see myself going to the dealership and say I want a Honda Civic. Like I like the old ones, but like
Yeah, because they look like a Porsche.
the old ones.
Which old ones?
No, like the old ones, they are like very Japanese style.
EJ and EK?
Yeah, exactly. EJ and EK, you were dead on.
I like them too.
So, like,
I don't like the body of the one that I had. And the one that...
I'm gonna send you the picture, but then you can look for like the rear and all the things. But like it's about this one.
So Spy's escaping now.
Riding on the stone.
Like Spy didn't touch my level by 5 cents, then reversed. I didn't get in because it didn't touch, but maybe I should have. It's kind of hard to know.
And like, if you look at the rear, it's like pretty crazy stuff.
Isn't it the Prelude?
No, that's the Type R, the Honda Civic. That's the Civic. The Prelude, I'm gonna show you. I have the Prelude here too. I was looking at it because it looks very similar.
They put a picture of the Prelude, no? Yeah, they put a
Oh
picture
yeah,
of
yeah,
the
it's
Prelude.
a Prelude. Okay, yeah, it is a Prelude.
It's already on the market, you know.
So that's why it's so different. It's not the actual Honda Civic.
You know how much it costs?
No, how much?
Prelude? Just guess. Look at the Prelude.
I'm looking at it right now.
It has 200 horsepower with hybrid power.
Mm-hmm.
So it's
So-
hybrid.
Canadians or Americans?
Canadian.
Well, I would say
I saw one
Canadians.
recently
Okay.
on Marketplace. So how do you think? How much do you think?
42,000. About.
Okay. It's so expensive. It's high.
It's higher than that.
Mm-hmm.
Aye.
Wow, I
Crazy.
would have said
It
lower.
won't sell. It won't sell. It's just too good. Just guess. Again.
57.
Yeah. 58. I saw yesterday.
Oh la la.
And some at 60.
Did you know that?
60,000 for a 200 horsepower car? That is hybrid?
Yeah, it's like.
And it's hybrid.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's
it's
probably
supposed to
why the
go for-
price,
Mm-hmm.
because of the
To
battery in
maintain
there.
a 200, can it, like, obviously it's,
Yes, Canadians.
no, but I mean, 200 horsepower, the speed it's able to maintain its acceleration without
I don't know.
the use of, okay.
Normally, yes,
I don't know much.
because the hybrid actually like it will add more than that, but like
It would add to it the acceleration,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Being an hybrid. But to,
our
But
car have
sometimes there's
200
hybrids that
horsepower,
is just
right?
for fuel economy and
So it's
hybrid
like-
for performance.
like, and our car is considered a very slow car. I don't know if you know that, but
you guys
that
have
should
a
be
slow.
slower.
yeah, yeah, like because it's heavier, I guess too. It's funny because when they came out with the new version of our car, they add 5 HP to it.
Yeah, but the big difference is the
The torque, yeah,
torque. Torque
it's a high curve.
Yeah, but also because of the it's 0.2 liter that they added.
Okay,
Fine,
so
no.
you just bought it so that you guys look good in it. Is that it?
It's fun.
Our car is very full. It's just like, and like mine is stuck, to be honest, because of all time limitations and all the things I have. Like, but if not, my car will be like
Souped
powerful.
up.
Oh, in my country they put a 2JZ on those things like this. I have seen there are videos in my country people with BRC with a 2JZ on it. So you go 100 something and the wheels are still spinning. You know, it's like. But from the JDMs, that's my favorite engine too. But like, I like the 1JC as well. But the 2JC, the first generation, is the best of the best of the best.
Non-VVTI.
Non-VVTi, yeah, that's the first generation.
Okay.
And the VVTi is okay. The problem with the VVTi is that you have to add an extra sensor for the transmission, and it's very painful because many times it just give you problems, like synchrony problem. It's like,
Mm-hmm.
but just the sound of those engines, like, oh. No, it's amazing. I don't know if you have ever heard one of those engines, but like,
I don't believe. Probably.
On Maloney, I've heard a Supra pass by.
mm-hmm.
My guy, like, it felt like the air was getting compressed everywhere around me. Like, it was crazy.
My guy,
Like, it was loud.
I was in Saint Joseph with Lac Lemy.
Mhm.
Saint Joseph with Lac Lemy, yeah. And there was a guy just in the light on a black Mark 4. So it's like I say I said to him like you have a very nice car, and he see my face like an idiot, and he say thank you, buddy, thank you. He's a very young guy, like, but it's like how you can see such a nice car and not say something nice, you know? It's like it's. So in Canada, I have seen only two. The blue that you and I see when we went to the little car meet that the guys did.
What's which one did you say?
It's the Supra. I'm gonna show you.
Mark II?
Ah,
It's not. It's in the Mark IV.
Mark IV.
Supra. Toyota Supra, because the Mark II is the one. Toyota Supra Mark IV. Yeah,
Have you
it's the
seen
Mark.
outside?
Yeah, it is the 4. What was that?
Look outside.
outside what?
Outside what? Yeah.
Outside your house?
Oh, it's snowing a lot.
It's like slow. It's snowing slowly.
Yeah, we are in the basement, so we cannot see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's this car, Marie. Like, but like, let's say, it's an old car-ish, but like in Fast and Furious, this is the most famous one
Mm-hmm.
because that's how they paint it. But like, it's this car. I checked in Canada how much it will cost me to get one engine of this car, and it was like 12K. I say, hell, I'm not paying that much for it. Like in my country, I can get it for way cheaper.
It's just gonna cost you the balance for shipping.
Look at that beautiful thing, and that car, like, it
Oh,
does,
that is beautiful.
like, look at that.
That is beautiful.
And this is the new version. What are they asking, Zach, now for the Mark IV? Like 67K, something like that, 60 something.
Yeah, you can get it for 100 too, but kind of expensive.
I was going to say, wouldn't that be more like 90 something? But
Depends on the condition, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty damn expensive.
If you're driving that, you have to put "Rolling on the Stone." Yeah. So
Riders of the
I have went 3 times to send the email about the vacations, and like I get interrupted. Sorry, guys. So I'm just gonna finish this. I don't want to say the day before. Oh, I am on vacation tomorrow. You know, and it's gonna be for 3 weeks.
I'm gone. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Oh, not good.
Who's gonna empty the CNC? Okay.
They are doing it on their own, fortunately. I don't have any problem doing it. It's just like for a safety thing. Like, you know, it's good that they keep it saved.
Okay, so Spy Scott, eh? I had 2 consolidating levels.
Yeah, but like, what do you have? And I'm gonna do the analysis with you guys in there, just because it's quite relevant. So, you have a level that have been bouncing 3 times already, and the last candle is bigger than the 2 first shot. What that is telling you there is that whoever was not convinced of buying there that much, but they were already buying a lot in there, now they are okay. Look at that.
We still have exactly the same levels, the same amount, at the same place on the tape.
Look, those are 5-minute candle.
Maddening.
First reaction here, this candle here. Look at the size.
Mm-hmm.
Then we did it like another 2 step, but not as much. And this is just 1 candle. So buyer did step in with a little bit more confident in that last push.
You are correct.
So
But now, remember I was saying we had 150 lots at 683.10 and 682.80?
yeah,
Okay, well, those two levels that are there that are still at that amount, but instead of 150, they pumped it up at 162. So it's almost like they want to, on purpose, stick them between those two levels.
that's pretty
What
cool
shit,
stuff.
man.
Yeah, Zach, what did you see?
Never seen it. Like, it's so not moving.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, to Davy's point, the RSI is actually going to be at its highest right about now.
Right.
Since market open. To Davy's point, the buyers seem to be catching
Base.
a little bit of a
Rally.
rally there. Ah, yo tengo un dolor de la cabeza.
Oh, welcome to my club.
Sí, sí, ay, it's contagious.
I guess so.
Thanks.
Do you know that we sleep with the AC 2 days ago? I say like, what the heck? It's like, but I don't touch it. You know, here like I have a rule for my own, that is that I don't touch the heat unless we are alone here. Like if Maria and I are alone here, yes, I put a warmer.
Mm-hmm.
But like once the girls are here, like my wife and my two kids, I have a rule. I don't touch that thing. So I wake up and like
We've got periods.
I like there is like the AC on, and I say, "What the heck is going on?" And it's like, "Oh, the girls are very hot." And I say, "Oh yeah, but it's like -10 outside."
Mm-hmm. See? Abrir las ventanas? No?
I guess that was one of the choices.
Okay.
Probably was easier just to to swap the AC.
Wow, look at it go, around that. 683.69. 683.69. Bounce, booger, bounce.
Riding on the storm.
Okay.
That's a good one game. I actually gonna try to get that one too.
What, the song or the game?
The game, yeah. But it's a huge game, for you to like finish it, it take months and months because it's a big
Oh,
game.
really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have the 200 EMA and the VWAP at the same place.
Yeah.
Okay, so for me, I've got 10 cents difference between the two, so very close.
Yeah, mines are 1 cent different only. But like it's because you are looking at the overnight.
Yeah,
Nope.
mine are 1 cent too.
No, my overnight and my overnight and the VWAP are together. But I'm in the 1 minute.
But I'm in the 1 minute too.
They're
Okay.
joint.
No, yeah, I know where is the discrepancy now.
Okay.
Remember that you use exponential
Yeah, you
I only
guys.
have
know.
a semi.
and we have simple.
You use exponential though. Zach?
No, I have a semi.
Okay, you've got a simple too.
I'm a simple guy.
I don't believe that, but that's okay.
Well, I think he's easy to treat. So in that matter, I will give that as a yes.
What you mean easy to treat?
Like,
I'm a disease, my guy.
what was that?
What?
You mean I'm a disease?
Yeah, the way you say
You are
that.
funny.
What do you mean treat?
No, like,
he's like sick and you're easy to give him medicine? Or?
no, like, you are funny.
Well, that's what he thought too. I thought the
Okay,
same.
I'm sorry. Yeah, if that's kind of what you guys listen to. No, it's easy to talk with Zach about anything.
Correct.
It's like easy to deal with you. It's like, yeah, like you may have, like, there are many things where you and I have different opinions and we can still talk a lot about it, you know? So, like, easy going, you call it, probably?
Easy going, yeah.
So, it doesn't mean you believe what I say or you don't believe, or you don't see it the way I say it, but it doesn't get conflicted to the point that we cannot have a conversation.
No, and I don't believe, and again, you know, he's your guy, but he doesn't seem to be excessively judgmental.
Well, like, I don't
Unless
know.
you own Microsoft.
Yeah. Bill Gates doesn't watch the show, so it's okay.
How long have you been with your girlfriend, Zach?
4 years.
Wow.
4 years.
Are you trying to see if he forget? And then she will say, "Oh,
He's a
yeah,
spy.
yeah."
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Ask me the date though. No, I know the date.
No, hey, my guy. Don't put yourself into that position.
Don't judge others as you judge yourself.
I don't know. It's like my wife asked me yesterday or before yesterday, like how long we have been married, and I say, you know, for me it was like 9 years. It's 10 to where 11, so it's like oof.
Well, it's 10 this year, 11 next.
11 next year. Yeah. Well, okay, a boyfriend and girlfriend is that is longer by
2 years.
yeah. So, but like for example, the boyfriend thing is March. We are boyfriends from March,
Okay, so
but
that
we
would
are
be in
married
March.
from
So in March it's gonna be 12 years as a boyfriend.
yeah,
Okay.
and and the wedding is
10 years.
November.
November 1st.
Yeah. So second, first, you see. Yeah, it's okay. But yeah, that's what I mean. Like I am not clear about that. Like even my daughter sometimes 6, 5, 7, 8. No, 6. Now I know it's 6 because we have the recent conversation. But yeah,
Well, they don't
Yeah.
behave in their age as well, right? So
yeah. So do you still have a spy sack?
Yeah.
Okay. Like if we come back, I will be expecting it to go and test that line here. At the worst case scenario. But it should keep riding.
I have a small short.
Okay. Oh, I thought you had the long from the previous bottom.
No, oh my god. I almost got it. Like it almost touched my level, but
Mm-hmm.
it ran from it. So
I just noticed that it's hammering the line from the open like quite heavy. Like what is the open? The open is at 4. Oh, this is not the one.
393.
683.
Yeah, 683. It's gonna go through.
It's hammering that line quite a lot right now.
It's having trouble on 684.
Yep. 684, we've got a large order there. But now it's going to go. Oy. Took long enough. Come on. $6.84.
Yeah.
It's touching my range now. That's my level. It's 84.30. Level.
Your level is 684.30?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 38.
It's in the range 38.
Ooh. Look at the tape. Wow. That's gonna go through.
Looks like, yeah.
Through what? Through that price now?
Mm-hmm.
It's looking like if you want to make a higher high. Like, that's the pre-market right now, right there. It's breaking through.
Hey, those days, man.
Know what you mean. Rangy days.
I did like 3 trades and I lost only 1 hour.
Hey, good job.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
The thing is, I missed that loan. I should have had it. Can you touch my range 5? Touch it.
Touch it.
You know that's how I did poorly for the 4 days? Like,
Waiting for it.
no waiting for it. Like, I mean, I'm not saying I'm not, like, I had the same thing that you are feeling right now. It's like, come on, touch my level. I say, it's not gonna touch it. They're gonna go in and then wag it down. It's like, or wag it up. It's like,
Yeah, and it actually goes to that level, right?
exactly. And then
Because
when I
you're
say,
saying,
you know what?
yeah,
Like,
it's consolidating there. There's no way it's gonna pull back or pop into that. Yeah, I know what you mean.
so when I turn back to be green, like again, it was like, you remember we came and we say, I'm not taking a trade unless it get me at the price I wanted, and
Mm-hmm. Yes or yes.
it was just one trade and it was fantastic, and then next day we repeat the same. But like, yeah, the market is
So
doing
close.
this.
Yeah, but I should have done that when it was at my lower level.
Like, if you can exercise, like, for example, like, so, and that's why I asked the guys, like, can you put a stop loss ahead with top step? Because the best thing to do, in my opinion, is to put your order where you want it, that you are sure that that's a good price, and forget about it. If you get it, you get it. Start doing something else, like go and do a joke or read a book or something,
Or
or
look
watch
for
something.
another opportunity, because literally I agree with you, Davey, for that. Because if you watch the stock,
Yeah, you get the desperate. I
yeah,
mean,
you're gonna get FOMO'd. I get FOMO'd and say, oh well, now it's not gonna get there. Pfft, take it there, and no. Chicas.
I got my short, small position, and if you hold, I'm gonna add.
nice.
That's my level there.
It's gonna go through.
Do you feel pressure when you're well? In your case, you are very thin, so you are like in a good weight. But like yesterday, my wife told me like, "So you stop losing weight?" And I said, "I'm coming back to it soon. Just give me a little break."
Yeah. Yeah, you've been doing very well.
We are trying to.
Okay, Spy's gonna print a new high.
Wanna have a six pack soon, but like that's taking a lot of energy.
Como lentito.
Yeah. How do you say now? I only have a big square.
You're funny. Zach's got a 6-pack too.
Oh yeah, my guy is cut everywhere. Well, everywhere I've seen him. Sorry.
Hey, I wasn't touching that like a 10-foot pole. Like, yeah, no, you guys do you.
I'm sorry, Zach.
You guys do you.
Is it Microsoft?
Ay, ay, ay.
Ah, puppy. What am I gonna do with you guys?
By the way, Microsoft. Ay, ay, ay.
Is
Now I cannot
is
say the
it-
statement without getting in problems. Because I was saying Microsoft is holding good. That was a real thing. Like, no, it's true. Like, I have an order to add here, and like, it's not going there. So it's holding my level so
It's
good.
all because of Zach.
Yeah.
Your fault,
That's
Zach.
good, Zach.
Yeah, like that might be a very good trade, but like, let's see.
Okay, so Spy seems to want to have some strength to go to 685. I know, kind of crazy, but
Wherever I take my my trade and it works, I think I'm gonna keep it for the rest of the day.
Mama.
Yeah, today might be a good day to hold, and tomorrow too. Because what happened, like like the same way that at the end of the month there is position adjustments, like basically like hedge funds and all these people. So the same way, the end of the year is time where we actually get we have to buy this much before the end of the year, or we have to sell this much before the end of the year.
Mm-hmm.
And with the way it's looking, it's like kind of bullish already. So like, yeah, I feel comfortable holding. So
Okay, so next level, 685.20. Oh, 685. 685, the orders that are 685 right now to 685.80 are just freaking ginormous. So we'll see what that's going to happen.
I stepped out. What a back trading I'm doing.
It is very different. Okay, so Spy now has made that new high. And that's 685. 685.20 to 685.80. There's so many orders there. I have not seen that this morning. So we'll see what that's going to bring. And there goes bye.
So 685 to 685.20.
So 685, so it starts at 685.20, Zach, and it goes to 80.
No one at 685.
No one.
It's pretty cool stuff. Yeah, my guy, like, I have the same feeling twice already with you in trading. That it's like, I find that like if you don't have a favorite size, like per day, let's say, like for example, is that something that you have ever think about, or it's not like relevant like for your strategy? Like
Favorite side.
like for example, you hear me saying like the longevity of the move and things like that. There are days that even if the market tank, I will prefer to not go short. And there are days that even if the market rally, I will prefer to not go long. So, like Maria and I have agreed that it's less than 10% the time that we get the smoke in that one. So, it's like basically there is a strength in the overall market that we sense, and that's why you don't see us taking shorts. So, but what I'm saying here, like, I'm not criticizing or I am not suggesting anything necessarily, because I know your strategy is very level oriented. But it's like it's basically the question, like, hey, does it has any value for you if you look for a way to evaluate, like, okay, today is a day for taking longs. Okay, today is a day to take shorts. And if it's gonna be rangy, then you, okay, today I can flippy. But like, yeah, I don't know if that ring any bell to you or not.
Yeah, for sure. Like, I feel like my strategy is more like scalping,
Mm-hmm.
and like you don't really care about the overall market side. You just care about the small movement in between.
Okay.
But for sure, maybe it will help. I'm short from my level there, but yeah. Let's see.
Perfect.
You're
Yeah,
short
it's good
at
to
what
do.
level?
684.92. Almost the top.
Are you able to?
We're able to survive till 50.
685, 80, you're not surviving that.
No.
Cool.
A little cool, but it's more my vision and headache right now.
Yeah,
Because the
it's true.
vision
Yours
is
just
really-
combined, I think.
I usually, my vision isn't impacted. Earworm.
Yeah. You know, it's funny. I have the same level that you have,
Who?
Zach. If I know, I don't remember the price, but I think it's 684, 684.90 probably, something like that.
Mhm.
Yes, I have that level. But That's the price I say is my test.
Oh, 684.
So once he trades above 684.90, yeah.
I
Once he
got
trades
that.
above, I will break
it's the
even.
one above that I don't have yours.
Yeah, the one above is ridiculous. So I can actually say it. It's 688.58.
Okay, let me check that out. No, it's not gonna go there today. But it should go, like I said, 685, 680. We will see.
Very confident. She's sure that it won't go there.
To which 688?
Mm-hmm. 688.58.
Well, right now, like if I'm looking, there's no confirmation saying that they will go to there. That doesn't mean it won't go to there. I'm just saying there's no confirmation that's going to go to there at the moment. So 685.80 still seems to be that top.
Let's see. Let's see what I have here. Because we might be a little bit extended right now toward the hope side. So. So I need to copy, duplicate it. There we go.
I got the bigger and got my stop loss closer.
Okay, a real price that is slightly below 686. But let's see.
Below or above?
Above, sorry, my bad. Yeah, above. I do have a level at 686. Not 686 precise. It's around there.
686.20 my level start.
Okay. Do you have anything at 685.70? Or 685.80? No.
Yeah,
No,
for me it's
You do.
685.80.
Yeah.
That's the level's been there forever.
let's go SPY.
If
I'm heavy on that one, but risking the same. It's just tighter.
there is any value for you guys, like, did you see the volume of the close for Friday?
No.
Where it lands, so like where it lays, like so. We are talking about the volume for the actual option liquidation thing. So the witching, triple witching, yeah. So it's quite massive actually.
Ooh!
Yeah.
Yeah, 3.7.
The volume,
Mm-hmm.
I have. Well, in the time frame, because I'm looking at the 60
Okay,
minutes.
I'm talking at the closing.
Yeah, at the closing, the time I have is 20 million shares. 20 million just for 3 o'clock.
Wow.
And like that put a very solid level of support, which is at 681.09. So I don't know, you know. Yeah.
SPY. Give me the money.
Pump it up. Or down.
Down.
Up. Okay.
My guy, like, again, we're gonna talk here about your levels things and like, or the things you show us. I know we are looking at different indicators and blah blah blah, but it is similar analogy here. Like, I'm kind of blown by the, or blinded, whatever you call that thing. By the
Blinded.
no, it's not blinded. It's
Oh,
like
okay.
impressed about like it's like if my head blew off when I see that Microsoft. respect those levels as Nvidia does, as SPY does, as everything does. So it's like I'm gonna be very precise here in what price I have as the worst case scenario for that Microsoft MSFT. So the worst price I have for Microsoft is, oh my gosh, this is insane. So the price I have that I put there Friday, Sunday, yeah, I did it yesterday while I was working on these levels. It was 482 and 79. The low of today is 482 and 71.
Wow. Great job on your levels.
No, great job in the, I didn't do anything. We are just looking at it, and that's why I said like, but it's like, it's insane. Like, you know, it's like, why does he hold that good? Yeah, but yeah.
Okay, so now SPY needs to break my level down.
What's your level down?
684.50 to 684.30. So that was my previous level, but when it went up, it didn't respect it at all. We'll see how it's gonna go. It's gonna go down.
Davey, you smell burnt toast, right? See?
They are there, yeah. Yeah.
Just want to make sure I'm not having a stroke.
It's normal.
Hey?
It's normal.
They like burnt bread?
I don't know what they are doing, but like, yeah. People that are about to having a stroke smell burnt things. Really?
Mm-hmm. That's one of the symptoms.
No, it's a little bit like that, yeah.
Okay. Oh, you didn't know that?
I didn't know that, no,
Oh,
no,
okay.
yeah.
I didn't know too.
Mm-hmm. It's more like, yeah, you know when you leave something on an element or in
Yeah.
the bottom of the stove or the way that it smells,
Mm-hmm.
they describe it as burnt toast.
Oh.
Yeah, it's almost, it's very high, the people that have that symptom
Okay.
before having a stroke. So every time I smell something burning, I'm like, I ask somebody, do you smell that? Yep, okay, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah, because facial paralysis is a little, you're having it.
Yeah.
Burnt toast is a prelude. I'd rather deal with burnt toast smell than the face.
And what do you do? Like if that happens, like you will just lay down?
No, you usually, if that's it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen quite quickly after that. And yeah, you call 911. So the quickest time that you're able to get treated and get to the hospital, if you're having a stroke, the better the recovery time from paralysis, either, you know, partial or full.
Okay.
Or obviously because it has to do with the brain, right? So the brain damage and all that good stuff that you don't want to happen.
Interesting stuff. So
Mm.
Today, every time we're gonna talk about Microsoft, we're gonna laugh, and every time we're gonna smell burnt thing,
You're gonna freak out.
wait for let me call my wife to say stop cooking.
You're funny. Okay, well, we could wrap it up.
Yeah. We are going to wrap it up. So
Okay. Seems like SPY is picking up steam.
So basically, let's wrap it up there. I only have 2 trades today, so I took Microsoft here, and that was it's a unusual trade for me because I normally don't trade this ticket, but today it was at a level that is yeah, it's part of my interest there, so I just took that little trade there. I will see if I can hold it for overnight. Unless
Okay.
I will try to hold it overnight because I think it react the way I want to see it reacting. So if I am right about it, this thing can really go higher by a lot. But I will see by the end of the day. Right now it's not doing much. I went a little bit too conservative, so it's just moving a little bit there. But that's okay because as I say, new name, like new ticket that I trade, probably the first time I trade this thing. So yeah, and that's it. That's looking okay here. I can get out or I can just wait for it to do whatever it wants to do tomorrow. So and yeah, Microsoft going okay. So I have Nvidia here, and Nvidia is an overnight trade that I hold a little bit here too. So and yeah, this one I gonna like before I leave, I'm gonna drop off an order at 194. The reason why I'm gonna drop off an order at 194 is because I already saw the tape. If you see right now at 190, we already have 526 lot. 185, we have 600 lot. So I think that that Nvidia can go way higher, but it's gonna take time. So like today is a day that will
Isn't
require.
185 a level on Nvidia? I
Yes,
seem
it
to
is.
remember.
It is one of the strongest. It's actually the strongest level
From what I
below the
remember,
190.
Yeah.
So, but like things hold below until they don't anymore, and like I think we are in the right time, like Christmas, last days of the year, for it to not hold that below that 185. But it's gonna take a little bit there, so that's why I say like it required patience, and I'm okay with that. And yeah, I think let's see what happens at 185, and once it breaks through 185, then we can aim for the 194.
Hi.
So maybe even if it doesn't get to 194, I will liquidate it at the end of the day just to hold whatever is in there. So, but yeah, that's it for me. Unrealized PNL is flat, and like we are doing okay in general. So if I take it, it's gonna be green, but like that's not what I want. So yeah, let's do it. Let's let it do whatever it wants to do. So what about you, Marie?
Okay.
I know you
so,
were trading open, I think.
no. So what I did is
Irene, yeah.
Yeah. No, I started. Yes. So I started out with Irene. So I went long at the VWAP. So I went long at 41.80, and then when it popped up at 42.60, I didn't take a partial there, and I just broke even and got out. I
Okay.
didn't like that pullback there.
And then you move again.
And then it moved exactly in my direction, so that was I felt like Zach right there. So then what I did is I took RCAT. RCAT was a good one, so RCAT, I took it at 890.
Pretty nice right here.
Yeah, and then I just kept doing partials, so every 15. Partial at 15, 905, exactly 915, and then 930. I added on the pullbacks
see
of
at
915, 915,
Partial out
and
right
then
here.
partial at the top at 930, then up to 936, and then I just broke even and it got me out. So I'm good with that one too. So now I am in QUBT. So QUBT, I took it at 1210. I added very largely, so then I de-risked my position and could not survive the pullback at 1195. So what I did is I went back in at 1196 instead, and then a much more controlled trade. Took a partial at 1210, took a partial at
here.
1220, no, at 1217, took another partial at 12:30 at 12:29. I'm still in the trade right now, and I'm breaking even.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll see.
Okay.
So we still have some good positions there. And I'm breaking even now at 12:02. So we'll see what's going to happen. I like what SPY is doing there at the 684 48 for 50, as we can say. The RSI seems to be gaining strength there. It seems to at the pre-market at the market high of 684. It was 684.47, I believe, and SPY once it crossed that seems to be using that as a level of support. We will see. But right now, for me, I'm going to be continuing and watching this trade. There's a possibility, there's a big position for me at 12:34, and then 12:50 is the next one. Is that possible for QUBT to go there? Absolutely. It was there before. And yeah, the RSI, definitely room to grow there. So that's it for me.
Nice.
And you, Zach?
Yeah, good trade. What about you, Zach? SPY?
Yeah, for me on SPY it was kind of a boring day. Like didn't touch a lot of my levels, but I got along at 10.8. 10.8. I thought it was gonna hold the 200 EMA. Then it broke, got me out. Then I got short back at VWAP when it went up. It break, let me out. Really small positions, I know.
Yeah,
It was risky.
tighter.
Then I got short at 10.47, and it break again. And
Yeah.
right now I'm short from 684.84, and I'm aiming for going back to VWAP if possible.
Yeah, you got a very good price there.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much has the top.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
So, and I think like those levels are strong and the volume is not that high, so it's gonna stay choppy today.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it looks like a day that go up and down between two levels.
Until they broke it.
Yeah, I broke one, but usually when you break one and there's not a lot of push, the other one is stopping it. So we'll see.
Okay. Perfect. So, yeah, I hope that trade works. I know that it doesn't have to move too much for you to be green on that one.
Yeah, to view up, it's like I'm up like 3 hours if we move to view up on the day.
Which is doable, you know, like totally doable. Like I remember last time you were here with the same setup, like we all left, and it really moved in your favor, like a big candle, and I said, "Oof, I hope you still have it."
Yeah, I'm going to keep it for a bit.
Okay. So that's everything for today. We're gonna be here tomorrow. Tomorrow is gonna be our last trading day for this week, and then we're gonna come back Monday and see how we do. But yeah, I hope everybody's having a good day, a nice holiday, something like that. So we will see you then. Enjoy your day, everybody. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.